We're here with Terry Darling today, owner of Home Safe Inspections, my go-to inspector for all my buyer real estate clients. We're gonna go over with Terry today his top 3 things you must look out for.
And on new construction, anything, one of the main things that we look for is to make sure that the appliances were installed correctly and they're operating properly. You think it's new construction, everything's gonna be perfect. Most times they don't test it and operate it. So today we're gonna take all the packing out of the dishwasher, out of the stove, operate both of those things, make sure there's no leaks. The second thing that's a really common defect, especially for new construction condo, is gas leaks at the joints. When a technician is putting these things in, they're going to install it. They may not even operate the furnace or the water heater, and they may have a gas leak that they're not going to know about. Especially important with a condo because these appliances are within our living space. So just one of the many things we find, especially with new construction condos. This actually is the sub panel. Our bus bars are correct with neutrals only, which looks great in a sub panel. We often do find defects in. We don't have any defects. It looks really good. If you need us, always find us on Instagram at Home Safe Inspectors NJ, and you can order your inspections online at Home Safe Inspectors, and then give us a call, 908-325-3600.